and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the digital transformation of L&T E&A, and to discuss just that, I have with me Sibasish Pani, who is the Head of Innovation and Technology at L&T E&A. Hello and welcome, Sibasish.
Hello Silpa, I'm glad to be here.
Thank you so much for giving us your valuable time. To start us off with, could you tell us with a few examples exactly how digitizing your CRM has helped you in tangible ways, such as with your strategy planning or with your customer engagement?
For us, we see digital as one of the platforms, one of the ways that enables in deploying business strategies. We leverage CRM as a platform not only for deploying the strategies, but also unifying the entire customer journey to give a very personalized customer experience. This CRM, it helps in automating a lot of the tasks of the users, increasing efficiency. Like I can quote an example. The complaint journey is automated for us. So which means the case registration as a CIC at our customer center, automatic assignment to an engineer, then the call getting resolved with a digital signature. So entire process is now digital. So the way how it has helped in the business is, it has helped us in improvement of the turnaround time for attending complaint. Secondly, the customer needs satisfaction score, that has also gone up drastically. So this is one of the way we have done in service. When it comes to sales, what we have done is to deploy some strategy, like for example, we have a focus of pushing new products. So now this CRM is helping in taking the new product as a target, and the sales team is able to monitor the performance in real time because of the tight integration with SAP. So you see how it is helping in deploying strategy, improving efficiency, and not only that, CRM as a platform, how we see it, that all the user processes of the customer facing teams are digitally connected in one platform, and data is seamlessly available to them. So what can be a better experience for them?
Now you spoke about automation, and now AI is also supporting CRM in a very big way. Can you tell us about some practical applications of AI that you observed so far?
See, if you talk of AI has been there in existence since 1950. With the advancement in the competition capability, data availability, the models are learning. So as I talk now, the companies are investing heavily to engross almost all the activities within the boundaries of AI. We have been experimenting something around the AI recently. For example, I'll tell you, we are able to predict the actual win rate of an opportunity, and our sales reps are able to understand the next best action they should take to win an order. So this is one of the use cases I can talk about. We are also thinking how our survey, imagine a customer calling to an customer care agent. Customer care agent is able to get a prediction from an AI bot that what should be the next best action for this type of complaint, and resolve the complaint on the phone itself without having to assign it to a service team. See the amount of energy, the effort it is saving. This is a 2 use case. Third use case I can give you, for example, there is a 30-pager project tender document sitting in one of my opportunities. Can my bot read through the document and then prepare an offer based on the BOQ, and the discount? It can come up with the historical data trend available within the system, or the same it can tell me what discount should I as a sales rep quote based on the equivalent customer data. So see the way it is helping a sales rep, a service rep. So the work which usually used to take 2 hours, 3 hours now can be done in 5 minutes time.
Absolutely, crunching that data and projecting it is done just in seconds by AI, as you very rightly pointed out. Now there's so many CRM solutions in the market currently. What made you choose Salesforce? What would you say was that differentiating factor that was the clincher?
We evaluated many CRM platforms. The reason that we went with Salesforce as our preferred CRM partner was, first of all, CRM as a practice it was one of the major business of Salesforce. So which means it brings in lot of focus on the business, and CRM, as Salesforce, I understand, invest heavily on R&D, putting in new features, new launches. So that was the first thing that motivated us. Second thing, when we looked at the Salesforce, see for us, we took Sales Cloud, we have the service processes, as I mentioned, all the customer facing processes are part of the Salesforce. So there was a requirement of Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Data Cloud. So for us, how Salesforce, we see that they were able to give everything in one platform. The user need not go to different logins, different platforms and access data. And how seamlessly the data sitting in the different applications were able to collaborate together to give that one unified view, which you call customer 360. So that was the second thing which we liked about Salesforce. Third, if you ask me, Salesforce, we were very skeptical about going for a new CRM. So what we did a pilot to Salesforce, and we tried our own hands to see how was the look and feel, how easy it was to design the UI, UX, and we did that for 1 month. And to be honest with you, we found it absolutely fantastic. The reporting capabilities were so nice. Everything was available on a go. I remember the time earlier, where our sales reps has to go through a pile of the Excel data, build in reports. Everything was on Excel. So now we are seeing that this platform could bring a digital transformation. So this was some of the reasons for which we went to Salesforce.
All right. Now you also had a design workshop ahead of adopting and designing your new CRM. Take us through that process.
So while we decided to embark on the digital transformation journey, we did a discovery workshop. During the discovery workshop, we had users from different levels, from the front-end engineers, the middle-level managers, to understand what is the actual pain point which we are trying to solve. What we found that there were some of the problems for which did not have a solutions. So we as a team, we decided that let us go ahead with a design thinking workshop and to find out how it can help us resolve the problem. I'll just give you an example. While we were designing the process for the service transformation, we were thinking, what was the one thing which a customer wants from a service team. So that was one of the theme of the design thinking workshop, and the entire team, we went through the entire process, then came up with 2 simple KPIs. Can we reduce the turnaround time for a customer complaint by 33%? First. Second, can we improve the net promoter score by 18%? So these are 2 simple KPIs that we came up with. And see, these 2 simple KPIs has helped us redesign our entire service transformation journey, and the actual has been better than what we have expected.
All right, that's a great example. Thank you for sharing that with us. Now, earlier you spoke about data silos, about basically how departments weren't sharing data, and CRM helped you do that and improve your cross-functional capabilities. Can you talk to us exactly how Salesforce came in and transformed that for you?
Oh, so that is a very interesting question. See, I'll tell the sales rep normally went to the customers to discuss about their inquiries, and suddenly the customer will throw a bomb at them and say, hey, look, your product has failed, and so you have come to me for an order, but product X has failed. And the sales rep do not have any idea what has happened and what the service engineer has taken a call on that. With the Salesforce, now we are as the different teams are there in the same platform, and all the customer data, whatever customer interaction we are having, are coming and sitting on one layer under the customer. So when as a sales rep, I go to a customer, I am able to see, okay, what are the cases, what are the cases, is it open, is it closed, what are the opportunities that are there with the customer, what are the actual product-wise purchases that the customer had, what is the customer cohort, this customer interacts with, who are the other customer influencing this customer purchase. So all these things is sitting on a click of my mobile, and so now you see, now I am having better, I am an informed customer, I am able to take decision in a proper manner. And see, the way, so the different teams that are interacting with the customer, be it the sales, business development, our service team. So see, everybody will be talking the same language because they are at a same, looking at the same data.
All right. Now we're also talking about how you get a bird's eye view of this entire data. And when you kind of zoom out and get that 360-degree unified customer view, it also kind of changes the way you look at your customer journey and perhaps improves your customer CLV. Have you noticed that? And can you share any impact you've seen so far?
Yeah. So, so customer 360 is something very close to our heart. See, when we started our digital transformation journey, our CEO asked, when I go to a customer, can you give me one view of the customer entire data? So from there we started working on customer 360, and thanks to the tight integration, standard APIs, connector that is available, we are able to pull in data from different applications in one place and have that in place. Now I'll tell you how it is helping us. With the view with the customer, now we are able to get the data of the customer past purchase, past discounts, trends. So it helps the sales rep, quote to the customer better. So data where data is now available, what past purchases has happened, what was the past prices. So it makes the life easy. Also the customers also feel that because of this, the customer has also got a view of the platform where they are able to get all the different data marketing collateral at one place. It makes the life simple. So it is a win-win for both the people.
All right, now from zooming out to zooming in, Salesforce also has some very specific functions and capabilities, such as they provide you Salesforce Sales Cloud, a Salesforce Service Cloud. How have these specific functions helped your different departments?
See, we have been using different Salesforce product, be it Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Community Cloud. So we don't see it as different product. The beauty of Salesforce as a product is there is seamless integration between different products. So for us, it starts with a marketing campaign where we are able to generate a lead, that lead coming to funneling it, coming to a sales rep visiting, creating an opportunity, closing that opportunity, supplying material to the customers. And if the customer faces a complaint, the service rep going to the customer site, attending the complaint, giving a digital signature, taking a feedback digitally. And the customer, if they want anything, they can go to a knowledge portal and browse through catalogs, manuals. So that is how the journey continues. So good thing for us is we know it as a one Salesforce.
Would you like to share some key takeaways that you think everyone can use from your digital transformation?
I will talk about some of the key understanding, what has helped us succeed as an organization in implementing our digital journey. First is starting with the end in mind. So we had a lot of clarity around where we want to end. So based on that, we designed the entire journey. Second takeaway are, there should be gates at the data points. So we ensured that the wrong data is not entering the system. Third is around effectiveness. See, we digitize only those processes where we felt that it will add effectiveness. Otherwise, the digitization actually don't help the business. See, ESP is a Deming Award winning company, which means that we focus a lot on quality. So for us, it is very important to ensure that whatever processes we are designing is helping the organization improving the quality in some processes or others. So that is the third thing. Fourth thing which I would like to talk about is the methodology. So how we are going ahead with the project. For us, we went with an agile methodology. So we took up the project, the different parts and bits and pieces, did an POC, launched it, then took up the other. So this is how we have been building the things up, and now with the bricks, now we have built a castle.
Thank you so much for summing that up so neatly and so articulately. I would love to thank you for your time, Sibasish, and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Silpa, for this opportunity. It was a pleasure from my side to talk about the digital transformation journey of ESP.
Thank you so much.